get ready with me for school. It's testing season and that's getting me so anxious, and I don't know, like I am just not feeling myself right now, and it's making me break out. Like I have all these big exams. I don't know, the anxiety is just like really getting to me right now. I usually don't do this much makeup for school, but I felt like getting up early this morning. Well, not really, I just couldn't sleep, so I just decided to get up early and do my makeup. Also, I've been watching the show Dexter. It's on Netflix, and I was just watching it while I get ready. I don't know, I love like watching the show while I get ready. That's my peace time. It's therapeutic and like comforting. Also, I'm going to Columbia this weekend. Well, I'm going today, and it's because I have a family wedding, so I'm really excited, and I'm excited to get ready with my mom and like help her with her makeup. My mom doesn't really know how to do makeup. It's not her thing. I don't know, she's not into it, so I always do it for her, and it's really fun. It's like good quality time for us. So I'll be recording that, and of course my makeup and hair and all that, and I'll show you guys my dress, which I'm excited about. It's a little like funky, I don't know, it's different than most of the dresses I have, but I think it's really cute. But also I have 2 huge exams on Monday and I get back on Sunday, so I'm like stressed. I don't know, I'm gonna be so tired, and that's just really like giving me anxiety. But yeah, that's it for today's makeup. Hope you guys like it. Bye.